Paul Psolka, Ivy Masters Learning Center and IvyMasters.com, and today we're going to look at the sixth question from Digital SAT Test 2 Module 2. This is the easier set of math questions. Number 6 reads, in y equals 5x plus 10, what is the value of y when x equals 8? So if x equals 8, in place of x you put 8, and then you get y equals 5 times 8 plus 10. Remember PEMDAS, please excuse my dear Aunt Sally. There's no parentheses here, no exponents, you got to do multiplication first. That would be left to right anyway, so it's unlikely you're going to make a mistake. Screw that up. So y equals 50. That's going to be your answer. Let's say you really don't trust your algebra skills substituting and solving this, your computation, whatever it may be. You could literally just plug this into Desmos. Any system of equations you can plug into Desmos, and the intersection point is your answer. It's asking you for the value of y, so the y part of the intersection point is going to be your answer. So if we go into Desmos, you say y equals 5x plus 10, x equals 8, and then you see a red line over here, I see a blue line over here. You don't see the intersection point. All you got to do is upper right, hit this minus to zoom out, do it once, twice, 3, 4, and then click on that intersection point. You'll see a gray dot, 850. So once again, it's asking for the y part of your intersection point is 50, and you're done. Thank you for joining us today. If you like this video, click like. You can share it with someone who has difficulty with linear equation substitution computation. If there's any question you'd like to see answered from any official PSAT or SAT or ACT, leave that in the comments. I'd be happy to shoot a video on it. Click subscribe so you don't miss anything, and check out that 1-minute video on TikTok. Have a great day. Or on Shorts on YouTube.